The house is buzzing, the laundry is piled high, and suddenly, everything grinds to a halt. Dorcas realizes the washing powder is completely gone. She needs exactly 10 coins for a refill, but the house has turned into a desert. You see her frantically searching, diving into sofa cushions, shaking out old coat pockets, and flipping through empty wallets. Every drawer is opened, every rug is lifted, but the result is always the same, 0. She's spent every last bit of change on the morning's errands, and now, the mission to get clean clothes has hit a total brick wall. The tension is rising, the laundry pile is waiting, and it looks like the day is officially defeated. But just as the search feels hopeless, her firstborn was standing there with a look of calm authority that only a child with a secret can have. She doesn't head for a piggy bank or her bedroom, she simply drops to the floor and disappears into the shadows beneath the dining table. Then, the sound hits, a rhythmic, metallic clink 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 echoing from the floorboards. Nuru crawls out like a hero from an action movie, but instead of a cape, she's holding a literal treasure trove. As Dorcas stood there stunned, asking the big question, where did this fortune come from? That's when her daughter revealed her genius. She explains her two-part financial empire. First, the gift tax, every coin intentionally given to her was tucked away and never spent. Second, the finder's fee, every homeless coin she spotted on the floor or under the furniture was officially claimed as her own. But the real heart of the story is what happened next. She didn't just save the laundry. She became the candy queen for the entire week, using her secret stash to buy sweets for her younger brothers. It's the ultimate ending, a mix of hilarious childhood hustle and genuine sibling love that proves the smallest person in the house might just be the one with the biggest plan. Thank you for watching, subscribe and see you in the next video.